Hello everyone, welcome back to the community here at Wholehearted Me. Welcome to you new folk. I just want to say it's fixed and I'm so happy it's fixed. And what is fixed, I'm going to tell you. Don't worry about the not syncing, everybody, for those who are detail people. Yes, I'm having a glitch right now with my, really, this is a 50-day-old thing when it's not a Connect subscription, but I've been paying for Connect and I don't know why it's not working. But anyway, I'll sort that out. You don't need to worry about that. The document still remains in good tact. So let's just go into the daily planner. This is 500 pages. And what happened for a while after they brought out a couple of updates ago is you'd go to the, let's go back to home. I have 4 indexes, well, 5 really if you count the one behind the menu bar here. This is the home page, right? If I was to go down to say the week, just give it a minute, week 18, right? April, May. When you press the grid, it would still have you on page 1, and it's been like this for a few months. So I found out other ways to hack it, and I've, the workaround. I found a couple of workarounds, 1, 2, 3, and I made videos about them to help others with big documents like this that wasn't working. But it's fixed. So I'm going to show you. Look, watch this. Watch this. So just let's say we go to the customize pages where these are all the extra templates that are inside of this planner. And technically, if I go to the meeting agenda, in the old way, if I press the grid, which I'm going to do, if I press the grid now, it would put me back in page 59 or whatever page we were just on. Now watch this. I press the hamburger. 511. It's back. It's working. Yay. Because I use big documents with lots of pages all the time. And pardon me, I had to really find ways to all it's doing right now in the background is working out the thumbnails, just in case you're wondering why it's doing that. I had to find ways to make this work because when you're in a 500-page document, you cannot be scrolling up to get to page 500. That's crazy. So I just wanted to make a video and put it out there, and I'll put it on in the Facebook group and all. It's fixed. Your big PDFs, they're all working. You don't have to do all the workarounds and the hacks that we were doing. Thank you, Remarkable. This is awesome. Good job. Good job. We can hop out of that. Thanks a lot. Bye.